guys, we did it. We fucking made it through summer. Through the disgusting heat and sweaty everywhere. We fucking did it. And fall is here. And I just received my FabFitFun Fall box. And we're doing a little unboxing today. So how it works is you order it, you get it every season, and then they send it out to you. Depending on like when you pay for it, they send it out in the beginning of the month or the end. Mine's is like automatic, so I usually get mine at the middle of the month. You get full-size items for $49.99, or if you haven't ever used it before, you can order it and I'll drop my code down below and you can get your first one for $39.99, and usually everything is over $200, so it's a really awesome deal. There are some items you get to pick on your own and some that they choose for you. This season I was a little late picking everything, so I couldn't add on like some of the stuff I wanted to add on because it was sold out. So I just kind of had to pick like I needed more. So let's start first. So they always do a little magazine. I got a HelloFresh card. I actually have 3 free ones to give away. So if you guys want them, leave me a comment down below so you can get a whole week's worth of, or actually 3 meals of free food. There's a sponsored one in this box. That's this Luna bar. I don't know if I can eat this because I'm allergic to peanuts, but I'll probably give it to my husband. So everything's wrapped up. So I'll show you guys what I got to pick first. So it was an umbrella, which is cute. It's black and white. I don't know where mine went, so I'm like, cool. I'm not gonna open it because bad luck, you know. We're not doing that. Yeah, it's so cute. So I got to pick, this was one of the items, and it was either this or I think Bluetooth headphones. But I always am like, are those headphones even good? So I'm like, I need the umbrella, so I'll get that instead. Another one of the items that I got to pick is a teapot, or it was like a coffee press to make cold brew. And I stopped drinking coffee so much because my anxiety was really bad and I would get like shaky. I'll do it every once in a while, but most of the time I'll do like a tall one or something really small. I can't get it open. It is so cute. So I drink tea. So I drink tea, so I figured I'd get that one instead. Okay, like how fucking cute is this little teapot? And the little flowers, I love that. So cute. So I can just make whatever kind of tea I want in there. Usually I use one of the little, I don't know what they're called, the little pincher ones that you put in there and then you just put it in your cup. But this is so much better. Another thing that I got to pick was a Vince Camuto leather tote bag, and even just like buying that much leather. So I picked this instead. It is the Crown Brush collection. It comes in this cute little case. With all of these. There's like a face brush. You can use this one to contour. 2 eyeshadow brushes here. Oh, actually 3 eyeshadow brushes. And then one for eyebrows, or if you like a fuller liner, you can use that. So I like the set. And that was one of the last things that I got to pick. Now, what came in the box already that everybody got was this Glam Glow bubble sheet mask. I believe everybody got these ones. Grown Alchemist Day Cream. It's a Hydra Repair Day Cream. It has Camellia Geranium Blossom. It's 2 ounces, so you get a lot of product in there. It's supposed to be non-greasy, so we'll see. I think I could wear this on its own, like on my days off, but I just do not want to mess with a different moisturizer if I don't know if it's going to perform well with my makeup. Some cute little tea towels. The last box had like the home stuff or whatever was a Pier 1 Imports little dish that I still use. I really like it actually. But these little tea towels are so cute. And they're white and gray, mine are. So it perfectly fits in with my decor. We also got Skin & Co. Sent a shower gel. I'm gonna actually open it. I can't even smell it. It smells too earthy for me. Blue and Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Yeah. I am more of like a fruity or like a fresh girl. I don't think I want to smell like sage or autumn blossom. So who wants this? Let's see, we got a metallic liquid lipstick. This is from, oh, it's a duo. Metalis liquid foil lipstick duo. Touch and Soul is the company that makes it. The color that I got is number 2, Penny. Let's see. That was one side. It's metallic as fuck. Do we like it? Do we not like it? Oh, so it's like, the bottom one's okay. I'm not mad at that. But the top one is like straight glitter.
That's good.
Oh no, I don't know about this one either. So that's like 2 things that I'm not like obsessed with in this box. Okay. And then the last thing that I got in this box is a beauty blender. Cool. I mean, I like the beauty blender. I don't have anything against it. It's a light color, so it's probably gonna get stained with foundation real quick. But I appreciate it. I like it. I'll take it. So I got 1, 2, the umbrella, 3, the teapot, 4, the tea towels, 5, the moisturizer, the Glam Glow masks, 6, 7, the brushes, which we love, 8, let's just say 7 things. 7 things I'm like, yeah, I'll use it. I won't use this. Nah, I'm not a metallic girl. I mean, unless I'm gonna do a costume or something, but I don't think so. So 7 out of 9 things were cool. Yeah, I wish it would have been something different, like if they would have done like a matte color or like just a neutral color that wasn't metallic, like that would have been a whole lot better and I would have liked that way more. So that kind of sucked. And like, who wants to smell like sage? Alpine rose and sage and wild basil. Ew, no. No, that's too hippie. No, I'm good off that. So, I'm like, no. I give this box like a 6 out of 10. No. I give this box like a 7 out of 10. Because like 7 out of the 9 things were pretty good. And the other 2, I'm just like, who wants it? Leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know if there's any types of videos you guys want to see from me, and hit that share too.